How to enable 90 FPS in PUBG or BGMI on any Android device without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable 90 FPS in PUBG or BGMI on any Android device without having to root it. Now of course, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have a device which is capable of 90 FPS, which means your screen refresh rate should support 90 FPS or above. Then you also need an active internet connection on your device, and the next thing you need is a Google account because we are going to download an application from the Google Play Store. So here it is, we are on the home screen of PUBG or BGMI. Let us go into settings and graphics. Herein you will notice that for smooth I have up till extreme, similarly for balanced up till extreme, HD up till extreme, and the same applies for the lobby settings as well. Next thing, let us go to the home screen, and for starters let us go into settings and display. Make sure that our refresh rate is set as 120. Once this is done, we are going to the Google Play Store, and herein we need to search for PUBG 90 FPS, and this here, the first application which we get, this is the one which we need. This of course is linked in the description of the video, so I am going to go ahead and install the application. Now once the application has installed, we are going to open it. It wants some permissions, let us say allow over here, and then it is telling us that we need to click on use this folder. So let us go ahead and try to do that. So finally, I was able to open the application. You just have to wait for a few seconds. There are some advertisements which play, but eventually you should be able to reach this screen. Herein you have multiple options. You have KR, which I suppose is for Korea, global and Indian. Right now I am running the global PUBG. If you're running BGMI, you can of course switch over to Indian. So for me, global is highlighted, and I'm going to say unlock 90 FPS. This is the file manager it has opened. We are going to select use this folder and here and say allow. Then use this folder one more time and allow once again, and then it is telling us to click on 90 FPS. So let us do that. Unlock 90 FPS. Unlocking 90 FPS is what it is telling us. 90 FPS unlocked. There is a full screen advertisement which is playing, so you will have to bear with that. Let us go ahead and let us try to kill this. So let me go into the application info, and then I will force stop this application. Once that is done, let us go ahead and reboot our device once. So we are back into MIUI. Let us first of all confirm that after reboot the refresh rate is still set as 120. So let me go into the refresh rate. There it is, 120 in the building. And next up, let us open the game PUBG and see if we have 90 FPS unlocked or not without having to root our device. So here we are back on the home screen. Let us go into settings and we can go into graphics. Bam, here it is, smooth 90 FPS available, balanced 90, HD 90. All of them are available for combat and in the lobby mode as well. And there it is, we have successfully unlocked 90 FPS on our Android device in PUBG or BGMI without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.